So students, when you get this box in the mail, you need to open it right away, because if something's broken or missing, it's much easier to deal with this right away before the lab work is due. So I like to take everything out of the plastic in the box and lay it out on a table. So you'll see you have forceps and you have food coloring. These are called micro pipettes. These are the slip covers for the slides. So if you mounted a slide, you would put this cover on it. And you kind of do it like this. One edge and then lay it down so there's no bubbles. And right here you have a syringe. Here are your millet seeds, microscope or magnifying glass. Here is your wood sample, extra battery, not sure what that's for yet. Here's some red food coloring, and your pine cone. This is indicator solution, iodine. You have a ruler. This is called a graduated cylinder. Here's all your safety materials. The iodine and the food coloring will stain stuff, so put your gloves on and an apron if you're wearing a nice outfit. More gloves. Here's your dissection kit and the scale. And that is what comes in a botany lab kit. In your kit, you also received the pocket microscope. And I want to be very clear that we are using the V-scope inside of the lab website. And so when you go through the getting started modules in module 1, you will do an introductory module using the virtual microscope inside of the lab website. However, you do have this pocket microscope and you can use it if you like to do hands-on things. These things are a challenge to use. Do not try to hold it in your hand. Set it on a table. Any amount of movement will make it very difficult to see things. And then, you have these slides, but notice that you weren't given anything to put in them. So if you are prompted to look at a specific slide, you are looking for it in the V-scope. But in one lab, you are asked to mount a slide, and this is to gain the microscopy skills. And so you're just mounting a slide. But most of the slides you're being asked to look at, you are not going to look at with this pocket microscope. You are going to look at it with the V-scope inside of the lab website.